the only thing that is holding you back from being able to profitable trader, and that is just the data. Okay, you whatever strategy you have, I don't know, but if you have not enough data of your strategy, you are not going to become profitable. So that's why we are here, to make sure you have a strategy that you already back tested at least 1,000 times. So let me tell you about FX replay. I'm just going to tell you about every single thing of FX replay from basic to advanced. Okay, you are not going to be that newbie in the FX replay. Okay, so let me tell you about this thing. So here, as you can see, the backtesting session. Okay, so if you click on this backtesting window, you will see only dashboard. There's nothing about, other than backtesting. This is your account. You can just make it the toggle full screen. You can just minimize from here, and you can just access this on the browser. Okay, so your sessions are here. Okay, no matter what premium you have on TradingView, but you cannot go back till 8 years, but you can do the same thing in FX replay. So if you want to create any session, you want to test any strategy in a specific time frame, you can just do by clicking on this. You can create your own strategy by here, just give a name on your strategy, and here you can just make a checklist what is going to happen when you are going to enter in a trade. Okay, literally make sure you make a checklist before going to enter in a trade. So here, let me tell you about this thing, create a strategy. So if you write anything here, suppose I write here SMC, so you can just give a description about your strategy. So I'm not going to do that. Save this. This is your strategy that has nothing. So now we are going to backtest our strategy. So what you're gonna do, just to click on the create session, and here you will see account balance. So let me enter something. This is the favorite figure that everybody wants. So here, as you can see, the pair, and I'm gonna add gold. Okay, so I added gold. You can just add multiple pairs, but please don't do that. Literally, if you're just going to add two pairs, this is not going to work that way. Okay, literally, just it is very messy. So that's why I'm suggesting you to add only a single pair. Okay, so right here I just selected gold, and you can just select a start date and end date. So I'm gonna just select 1 April, and end date is just 8 April. So you can just add a strategy that we have already created, SMC. So we are going to select this, and you can just give a name, description, and all the things. Now this is the most important thing. So already you have seen the smooth candle, means the broker you have seen in the trading view like Saxo and Paperstone. That, so those type of broker has gap candles, like the candles where you will see more gaps. So this is the, if you just disable this, you will see gaps. If you don't want to see those gaps, so make sure you enable this. So I'm gonna just enable this, and if you just done all these things, just save this. And after saving this, you can see all the things here. If you click on this, it's allowing you to edit this. You can duplicate it, you can go to analytics, journal this, and continue, delete. So if you want to continue, you can click here, and also you can click here. So we are going to continue here. Click on this. You can see journal. Okay, so this journal is about to capturing your all trades. If you just took a trade, suppose, and you can click on this journal, it will save your screenshot. Okay, so I'm not gonna show this because you can do that particular thing, it's very time taking. So let me tell you about this thing. Closed position, you can see all your closed position here. Open positions, if your equity is running in position, you can see here. You can make it full screen. Here I'm gonna minimize this. Okay, so here is your balance and realized and unrealized PNL. Okay, so let me tell you bit by bit. So this is the same interface as you were doing on the trading view. You can do the same here. Okay, arrow, everything is here. Right here you can see every single thing as you were doing the in trading view. This is the setting where you can just change anything you want, like trading view. Now this is the good thing, in trading view you can't do that, but in this particular software you can do this. This is the 16 layout. Okay, I'm not gonna do this, this is very messy, bro. So you can just redo this, but remember, you cannot go back. Once a candle form, you cannot go back. Okay, and other thing that I just want to show you, this is go to. Okay, click on this, and you will see next session, next day open, next silver bullet. So you can make your own custom setting. So suppose if you are an only New York trader, okay, like New York session, you are only trading New York session, you can just make sure that you can add here time, start this, and save this. So if you are going to click on this New York session, you are only going to go in New York session. Okay, so this is the good thing that you can do here. As you can see this, so events, it will show you all the events that is going to happen in the future. I'm not going to show you because you can do it later, but we are going to here only backtest. Okay, economic calendar, you can see all the newses here. I'm not going to do that. Hide navbar, you can just hide this navbar, show navbar. Okay, now before going to place order, just you can add any indicator if you want. There are many indicators you can add, but there's not many because in TradingView you can have multiple indicators, but here not that much. Okay, but already it has some main indicator that TradingView has already. And also make sure this bar, okay, literally if you have this button disable, make sure you on this button because this is very important thing. So I'm here on the H1. Okay, if I go to the H4, it is the same. Literally if I play this, then one candle of H1 is going to play, not the H4. Okay, so make sure you enable this. Now as you can see, this is H4. You can change as you want to change. Okay, so let me place an order right here. So as you can see, this is just going on. Suppose if I want to buy here, okay, what I'm gonna do, just do simple things. Literally click on the long position, and right here you can just do this. Stop loss is just going to here, and I'm going to target only 1 to 2. Okay, this is just 1 to 2, more than 1 to 2. So what you need to do, just to click on this position, make sure if you click on the place order without clicking on this, then it will show you the zero value. So that's why I'm saying you click on this first and then click on the place order. Now it's showing you stop loss, take profit, everything here. Okay, you can just add tags, and I'm not going to do that. Side here you are just going to buy. You can just put a limit here, put a stop limit, but I'm going to execute in market order. Okay, save this. You can just increase this speed. I'm gonna just do this, suppose 12 candles at one time. So let's see. Okay, take profit hit. So as you can see, we already did this. So this is the thing, basic thing you can do in the FX replay. Go to the dashboard. Now you can see the gain 2.37%, but if you want to see your analytics and every single thing, you can go and click here, this analytics button. Here you will see everything. So it is showing over 100% win rate because already we took only a single trade. The PNL is here, the account balance is here, and everything. You can see average RR, ideal average RR, and max ideal RR, and every single thing. Okay, Monday is very profitable, and we already not traded at. So that's why it is very good software to use, because here you can see every single thing. There's nothing which is just away from you. Literally every single thing you can see total trades, because it has not enough data. Once you just test your strategy here, you can just export that thing. Okay, you can just export, and but once you select your time zone, you can just export this in your time zones, because it is very necessary to select your time zone. Okay. This is about FX replay. You can just do every single thing in this FX replay. You can just export your file, whatever you trade, make a little investment on yourself instead of losing thousands of dollars.